Alright, so you have to first of all mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. Please make sure you use portrait because portrait is good for this. And if you want to advertise your product, it's always very nice using portraits to do that. You get my point? So now you mount your camera and record the table or anything you want to use. Make sure you record it. Now you bring in your items one after the other. Now look at what is happening now. You bring in your item one after the other. I had to use this vitamin C and other children medication. You get my point? So that this is what I have to use for this tutorial so that you will understand how to do it. You can use any other product. You get my point? So you just bring it, you drop it, then you wait for maybe 1 or 2 seconds. You take it away just like this. Then you are going to drop another one. This one is Avro malt syrup for children. Then you take it away. Just leave it for some seconds. You take it away. Then I will drop another one. Calamine lotion. Then I will take it away. Drop paracetamol. Then I will take it away. I'll drop this coughlin. Wait for some seconds. Then I take it away. So only parents can relate. If you are a parent, you understand what I'm talking about. You know the meaning of all these syrups, all these drugs I'm keeping here. You get my point? So now this is how to edit it. This video is already on Capcut. So let me show you how to edit. First of all, you just come here as it is now. You tap on it. This particular one. You get my point? So go and look for freeze. Go and look for freeze. So when you freeze it like this, now you tap on this, the first layer here, the first one here, the first clip here. Understand? Now we don't need that one. You just have to delete it. Where is delete? So you come to delete. Where is that guy now? Alright, okay. So delete it right here. So now you come to this part where you have another one. So from here, I will just tap on freeze again. Where is freeze? Alright, so when I click on freeze, I'll also delete this one. Delete. Where is this guy? So I'm just trying to take time so that you will not miss any step, especially if you are a complete beginner. You get my point? You need to pay close attention and make sure you like this video. When you like a video like this, YouTube will share it to another beginner like you. Understand? So that you'll be able to watch and also learn. So please make sure you like this video. Make sure you share. Let this video have up to 100 likes. At least we are more than 7,000. So let it have more than 100 likes. Just 100 likes. I'll be happy about it. So you just follow the same process. I have 5 videos. Like 5. I want to make 5 clips out of this video. You get my point? So I have frozen the first one, the second one, the third one. This is the third one. So I need to freeze this one, this paracetamol. So I'll tap on it and go to freeze and freeze it. When I freeze it, I'll tap on this one behind. Now go and look for delete. Delete it. Now still come back here. This coughlin is the last one. So I'll just tap on it also. Now go and look for freeze. Then freeze it. Now tap on this one. Go and look for delete and delete it. So we have all of this. But as you can see, it's 2.7. This one I think is 3.0. But we have to level it. We have to level all of them to the same duration. So how are we going to do that? You tap on this one. I want my own to be like 1.1. So I'll leave it at 1.1. So I'll just tap on this one again. Leave it at 1.1. 1.1 second. So you need to adjust all of them to 1.1 second. If you have a lot of products to advertise, that it will be very nice. But this one is just for tutorial. That's why it's just 5 products. So do the adjustment 1.1, all of them at 1.1. Make sure your camera is mounted on a tripod. It's not going to go well if you use your hand to record this. I'm telling you the truth. So when you have it like this. The next thing for you to do is to just export this video. Export it. Click on the export button and export this video to your gallery. We are not done. We are not done yet. So when it's exported to the gallery, now you are going to click on done and click on new project and bring in this same video you exported. You get my point? Alright, so here is the video. So if I'm to play the video now, you will see something like this. Let me first of all mute the clip. I think I had some noise when I was recording. So if I play the video now, see what we are gonna get. So it's not showing that morph effect. You get my point? It's not showing that morph effect. So we need to add that morph effect. For you to add the morph effect, you need to tap on the video layer. Now you come to motion blur. When you click on motion blur, you are going to increase the blur to 100. Increase the blend to 100. Now, this thing I want to show you here is a secret, because most of these our editors, they will not tell you this particular trick. Okay, let's just click on OK and see what's going to happen. Allow it to apply 100%. You get my point? Now, if you are watching this, maybe you are watching on TikTok or watching on YouTube Shorts, or they only tell you to do this. And when you do this, you apply it and it applies 100%. I bet you are not going to get the result. Now let's play the video. So that you will see what I'm talking about. See what is happening now. It's not giving you the result. You get my point? Now there is this thing you still need to do to have this result, and that is why you need to watch this video to the end. And for watching up to this moment, it means you really show interest. You want to know about how to do this. So I will be very happy to show you also. So now when you click on this, you still come back to this motion blur. Now come to motion blur. See, we've added the blur to 100 and the blend to 100. Now you come to direction. See direction here, this thing here. Now you click on forward. When you click on forward, now you come to times. Click on 6 times. You see, on 6 times. This is the thing that they will not tell you. You get my point? So that's why you need to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing update. This one I'm telling you everything. Nothing is hidden. You get my point? So let me click on OK. See, it will be applying again. So just allow it to apply to 100 and we are going to see the magic you were looking for. And I bet you, when you use this on your products, customers, you're gonna get buyers, man. You get my point? So before you do that, make sure you like and share and comment. Tell me if you've watched to this moment, and let me know if you've watched to this moment. And for those of you that do not have Capcut Pro and you were looking for Capcut Pro for Android phones, please, for Android phones alone, just DM me. I'll give it to you. You get my point? DM me on WhatsApp. I'll give it to you. If you want to learn how to edit video from scratch, fine, still come. That's my job. I'll teach you everything. You get my point? So let's allow it to load to 100%. I think it's wasting time. I'm just kind of being happy making this video because I love you guys, man. I just love you, man. I love you guys, man. I'm so excited today. I don't know what's happening. So as you can see, that's 100%. Now let's play the video and see what we are talking about. So now look at it. Can you see that? So at first you may think this is an animation. It's not animation. It's just this small trick on this motion blur that many people do not know, and they will not tell you. Look at the way it's. Then you can go and add some shorter sound if you want to add the sound, because I don't want this video to be too long. It's already 9 minutes. So guys, thank you so much for watching. You can now export your video to your gallery. You get my point? So see you in our next video.